Hey, almost Happy New Year. A couple more days and I can tell you Happy New Year. Tailgate shooting. Over here on County Road 15 today. Got a new toy, a dueling tree. Actually, over there, I don't know if you can see it or not, but we're just gonna piddle around a little bit, shoot my Glock 17 and maybe also the pistol caliber carbine, my Ruger PC carbine. And I'm not sure my red dot is exactly right on that. I just tested it and didn't hit as well as I wanted to, but I may shoot it anyway. We're going to shoot, like I said, we're going to shoot this, see if we can flip some plates around and watch and enjoy.